This AI tool is one of the best image generator and image editor. The images are live, stunning. You can see the images. So let's start the video. Firstly, we'll have to come to this website, astorialab.ai. I have given the link in the description. After logged in, this kind of interface will come. Here you will have to paste your script. So I given the script. Give the negative prompt. Choose the image size. Generate. It took hardly 5 seconds and the stunning image is ready. Simply you can download it from here. So now let me show you how you can edit any images you want. Then again come to the website. If you have to edit any images, so firstly you will have to click on clean up. Upload the image. So I uploaded this image. So suppose I have to remove this watch from this image. So just select the brush size, blur the whole part of this image and click apply. You can see the result. The watch is almost vanished. This is unbelievable, guys. So this is totally free of cost. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day all the best.